Welcome back to this second session of the module Business Strategy. Failure to plan means you plan to fail. In this session, we'll look at building a plan for your business. Quotes for this week come first from Proverbs 29:18. Where there is no vision, the people perish. The second quote is from Donald Kress. The real question isn't how well you're doing today against your own history, but how well you're doing against your competitors. If there is one thing that an entrepreneur brings to the table that no one else brings, it is vision. Without a clear sense of where one is going and an understanding of how to organize people, resources, and money to get a business off the ground, nothing happens. Nothing. The thing is, you are not competing with yourself. You are competing against others who wish to do the same thing you are doing. Therefore, you need to develop a sense of perspective. Look around. What are the market conditions facing your business? What does it take to succeed in that market? Why do businesses fail? You must understand the answers to these questions, because only then can you develop a vision for your business that is sound, has a firm foundation, and sees things as they really are, not as you hope they might be. Our learning objectives for this session are as follows. First, to begin to construct a business model for your enterprise. Second, identify what gets done and who does what. Third, we want to begin to identify goals for your business. And fourth, to define the difference between strategy and tactics. In our last session, we had you create a business environment analysis and put that into memo form. We asked you to do the following. To state what it is you're selling, to state who your customer is, describe how the product or service is produced, describe the trends affecting this product or service, and identify new technologies that impact this product or service. Now, this may sound familiar, especially if you've taken our previous modules. In Session 2 of Servant Salesmanship, we had you write a background paper about your assigned company and discuss the following. To find out what they sell, what their market niche is, and their key product or services and what those are. We had you write a description of your ideal client for that business, and we had you identify a data source of potential prospects. Finally, we had you write a mission statement for that business. What we'd like to do is suggest that if you took that module, Servant Salesmanship, that you review it along with other modules as well. Because in that assignment, you were asked to look at one of the following three companies: Rethink Books, Author House, or Adobe Digital Publishing. So if you have those, please take a look at what you wrote for that assignment. And then, more importantly, think of how you can apply that lesson to the business you want to launch. Using your background paper from Servant Salesmanship Session 2 and your business environment memo analysis to help you, make as extensive a list as you can of everything your business must do for all aspects of that business. Create a list of every skill that is needed to do all the things you listed above. And make a list of every type of employee who you would need to hire with the skills you have listed to do all the things that you've listed. Now that might be a big list, but you'll need to take care of this and see how we fit the pieces together. Be sure to discuss that in a group of friends or classmates who can advise you.